Just finished making my coffee, and look at all the bear grass up here at Lake Ellen Wilson this year. Last year I had a mountain goat family hang out with me, or 2 years ago I had a mountain goat family hang out with me all day for my protection, and the last time I was here there was a small animal like a marmot, not ground squirrel or a raccoon, but it was stuck in the pit toilet. So there was an inverted tree in the pit toilet, which is kind of wild. But yeah, check out all the bear grass, man. That's the cooking area right here underneath this huge boulder. And this is my breakfast, bagels and cheese, and I just had coffee. And got a little more of Ellen Wilson campground. Look at all that bear grass. My campsite's over there. I'll film that. Bear grass, bear grass, bear grass. As far as the eye can see. There's my tent right through that notch. And the food hanging poles. The lake.